Guys, we're back with another one. Come on, guys. Let's get it. So basically, I just want to know, is this the criteria that we're going to measure the coach on? Right? Is Carrick worthy of getting the job just because of this? Just because of this, most shots on target. So apparently, according to stats, you can go and look up the stats if you want to. But after Carrick has been appointed, we currently first in the league. First in the league after Carrick has been appointed. So, after Carrick has been appointed, we're first in the league statistically. And we have the most shots on target in the Premier League. Alright? Manchester United improved massively. Who agrees? Who disagrees? Is this something that we can merit our new coach on? Who wants Carrick? Who doesn't? I don't want Carrick if I need to say it again. Get fucking a proper coach. Even give me Unai Emery. But Michael Carrick, bro, we've been playing shit. We just won a couple of games. Come on, guys. Let's get it.